Understanding the phrase, looking for trouble. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, looking for trouble. This expression is widely used in both casual and formal English settings. Understanding it can help you better comprehend conversations and express yourself more clearly. So, let's get started. Looking for trouble is an idiomatic expression that means seeking out situations that are likely to lead to conflict or problems. When someone is said to be looking for trouble, it suggests that they are acting in a way that is likely to provoke others, cause a disturbance, or create unnecessary difficulties. It's important to note that this phrase often implies intentionality on the part of the person involved. To understand looking for trouble more deeply, let's look at some examples. In a social context, imagine someone who interrupts a peaceful gathering by starting an argument. A friend might say, "Why are you looking for trouble?" At work, a coworker continuously ignores guidelines and challenges authority, potentially leading to conflicts. A supervisor could remark, "It seems like you're looking for trouble." In literature and media, characters described as looking for trouble are often those who seek adventure at the risk of danger or those who antagonize others for their amusement. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can help you recognize the same idea expressed differently. Here are a few: provoking conflict, stirring up trouble, seeking out difficulties. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context, but they all convey a similar idea of intentionally seeking out or creating problematic situations. Incorporating looking for trouble into your speech or writing allows you to describe a specific type of behavior succinctly. Here are a few tips. Describing actions. Use it to describe someone's actions that are likely to lead to negative outcomes. Warning or advising. It can serve as a warning or advice to someone who is acting recklessly or in a potentially harmful manner. Character analysis. When discussing characters in stories or movies, use it to analyze their motivations and actions. Understanding the phrase, looking for trouble, enhances your English communication by allowing you to describe a particular behavior or tendency accurately. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and its usage in various contexts. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up new ways of expressing yourself and understanding the world around you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.